activity is related to how to separate the two immiscible liquids. Okay, so before going to start, let's understand about this, what is we are going to tell. The practical is like this: to separate the component of mixture of oil and water, because oil is lighter than water, and the two liquid that are immiscible into water one another. Okay, so for that activity we need kerosene oil, or you can take refined oil which you are getting, and you can take petrol also, and some amount of water. Okay, you should have measured value of volume of water. Suppose I am taking 60 ml water I took, and I will take, suppose, 10 ml of kerosene oil. Okay, so before going to start this activity, let me ask one question from you. Dear students, just tell me, can these two liquid can mix each other? Can these two liquid will mix? No idea. So let's see. As I have already mixed, so you can see here, these two liquid are not going to be miscible each other, as water is in the bottom and kerosene oil is on the top. So can you tell me why water is on the bottom and kerosene oil is on the top? Think. Okay, water is having high density, denser than kerosene oil. Because of that, kerosene is lighter in density. That's why kerosene is on the top. Okay, so now practical is what we need to. Now, okay, by chance, suppose in your home also, if by chance the kerosene oil is dissolved in water, or petrol is dissolved in water, and then you might think that, how we can change now, how we can separate this. So very simple thing you need to do. You should have one apparatus that is called separating funnel. This is called separating funnel. So let me introduce this. This is separating funnel. You can see this is the shape you will get in chemistry lab. This is the shape of separating funnel, where one knob is there. This is controlling knob, and this is the tube from where this separating funnel is going to pass the solution. Okay, so this is separating funnel, and this is called funnel. This is called funnel, with the help of which we can separate. So let's start this activity. So before going to start this activity, you need to ensure that this knob should be closed properly. Okay, you cannot use it too tight or not too loose. Okay, as per it can be do. So now, the moment we will pass this solution, before going to pass, you should have to keep some backup beaker, as if it will be going to be leaked, so the solution should not waste. So the moment we are going to add this solution, you will see, you will left it undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can see the solution again become the same way. It was like this way. The kerosene oil has on the top and water is in the bottom. Now once you will see the clear layer of the kerosene and water, then slowly you can start passing the liquid into the beaker. Okay, like this way, drop by drop you will allow the liquid to pass through this knob. As loose as you will do, as more faster the liquid will run. Okay, but you need to keep on watching this. Because the moment the kerosene oil will reach here, you need to close this knob. So you can see we have separated the solution. Okay, little bit that kerosene has mixed this, but you can see we have separated two miscible solution. Same activity we will do with the oil. So we will take again some amount of water and we will mix some oil in it. You can do this activity at your home also. Okay. So dear students, you can see the same type of layer in this also, which you have seen in water and kerosene also. The oil is also, in that oil is also not miscible with water. So these are immiscible. So here oil is also again above the water, it means that oil is having less density than water. Okay. So now we are going to separate this. So we will separate it with the help of the mixture is poured in a separating funnel and allowed to stand for some time. The heavier liquid settle at the lower part of the separating funnel and lighter liquid form in the upper part. So we will start. Before going to start, we need to ensure that the knob should be closed, and we will keep one backup beaker also. Okay, then slowly you will pass the solution. Okay, you can see when you will left it for some time, it will make two layers. You will wait for some time, then it will make two layers. So once after some time, once all the water has settled down and on the above the oil is there, so you can see a very clear line is representing between both the liquid. So that stopcock is open then, and heavier liquid will run. Heavier liquid is water, it will run first. Heavier liquid is running first. Slowly we will open the stopcock and we will allow the water to run down. And here we need to play very smartly. We need to close the knob the moment oil will reach up to this point. Okay, so after this we will run the oil, second liquid, once it will be done, then you can see both the liquid, water has separated from oil. Okay, so in this way you can do this activity. We can separate two immiscible liquid from each other. So this is one experiment also, practical also this year, although school is not open. So when the moment school will again open, then you all will perform this activity. Okay, so thank you very much. This is all about for today. The basic principle of this activity is oil and water are immiscible in each other, and therefore these can be separated by descentation process. This is called descentation process, but a better method of separating oil and water is used with this help of separating funnel also. You can do this with the help of descentation process also. Let me tell you descentation and what is sedimentation. This process is called mixture. Now what is descentation? We will allow the top layer liquid slowly to again separate, that you are doing in your daily life also. And but with this method also we can separate, but it is not separating that much in perfection the way it is separating in the separate. Okay, hope so you understood and you enjoyed. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your family, be the corona warrior, don't be the corona carrier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.